Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use a gesture on your earbuds, and the touch area is located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here at the top we have it. Now with it you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can control ambient sound, you can play or pause the song, but I recommend it to customize it, because by default you cannot volume control your music, but you can edit in the application. So to customize it you need to open EDIFIER Connect application. Then, of course, you need to add these earbuds to the application. You can go to the settings. By the way, if you don't know how to add these earbuds to the application or how to install and set up the application, you can check video at this channel. So, right here we have control settings, and you can set the best one for you right here, so it's a good one. Next one, these earbuds have ANC. I especially use it all the time, this mod. And in the application you can enable it, but you can also use a gesture for it. And if you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can enable transparency mode. Right here it calls ambient sound. Again, you can you can enable it in the application or by gesture, but in the application you can increase transparency level or lower this level. Also, you can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer presets. And for this device we have 4 presets what EDIFIER offer for us. So it's a classic, pop, classical and rock. And you can just change something and use it. If you play games, I think it's a game mode, it's a good one for you. And again, you can enable it in the application or you can enable by a gesture. But I don't recommend it to use it all the time, because you may have connection instability, so use it when you play games. Also, I tested the microphone at this earbuds, and this is really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally without background sound. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly. And the best one, that this microphone mutes street sound, so you can easily use it at the street. And if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform a factory reset, and this is really easy. You need to only put your earbuds to the charging case, or you can use an application. So you need to go to the settings, and right here we have factory settings. You just click at the slider, then you need to confirm it, and then just reconnect these earbuds with your phone, or you can put your earbuds to the charging case and then press 3 times at the connection button at the bottom of your charging case, and then you need to also reconnect these earbuds with your phone. But if you don't know how to do this, you can check a video also at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!